Good day, Robert Farrell here. Hey, if you really want to learn, not by snake oil or get rich quick or nonsense webinars and all that stuff, if you want to learn how to work smart online and more importantly, how to earn online the right way, then take a page from my 23 years of doing this online. I've been in the online trenches since '95. I've made tons of mistakes. I've wasted a lot of money. Okay, so if you're frustrated because you're not making money, let me share with you some insights as to how to correct that. Okay, now notice I'm not shooting in front of a yacht. I'm not waving cash in front of you. That's all nonsense. That's all snake oil. I don't want your email address. I'm not going to put you into a webinar nonsense, but check this out. Watch this. I'm going to offer you something that you can't find anyplace else. A turnkey solution that has everything you need to succeed, including training videos, marketing videos, how to sell videos. Everything's included with my complete turnkey system. And here's something you'll not get anyplace else. When you sign up for a site, you get access to over 14,000 keyword-rich domain names. Okay, meaning that you can have blackfriday.christmas or blackfriday.nyc or coupon.christmas or any one of the domain names that I've already curated for you. Now, what that means is you don't actually get blackfriday.christmas. You can become your brand.blackfriday.christmas or your name.coupon.christmas, et cetera, et cetera. But where else can you find this? Okay, so I kind of cornered the market on all the hip, cool domain names. So good luck trying to find a nice one. So let me share something with you. If you really want to earn, then you need to take the time to learn. So I've curated an amazing back-end system. So I have a package bundle deal that you can get 12 niche marketing websites. These top websites, of course, are more towards Black Friday and online shopping, and these are going to help you to drive traffic. Now you might say, wait a second, drive traffic? What does online recipes and coffee news and music have to do with driving traffic? Well, let's think about something. Here's something you're not thinking about, and perhaps the reason you're not making money online. Stop selling. Yes, stop selling. So as an example, let me share with you that list again. So if you look here, what are people search for on the internet on a regular basis? News. So if you can post a news story that you curated from YouTube onto your Facebook page, that's working smart. Let me explain why. Okay, it's not the same as taking that news story from YouTube and putting it on your Facebook page. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about to have a niche marketing website that's keyword rich, has SEO, has everything you need to basically draw the traffic. But then when somebody wants to watch that news or that coffee recipe or that online recipe, et cetera, they need to go back to your website, and that's working smart. So here's an example. Let me take you to the Christmas Shopping Network. So I'm going to click on that for a second. And as the page is loading in the background, you can basically hear me speak. Actually, I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so here's an example. Now, people ask, where do I get the videos for the front end? I use a company called videoblocks.com. I actually have a company called Video Spots, but that's not what I'm talking about. Now, they don't have an affiliate program, unfortunately, but it's just videoblocks.com. So I highly suggest you engage people with an enticing landing page. So I click right here, and that's going to take me into the site. Now, one of the things you'll notice here is that I'm not sell. I'm offering recipes. Why? Because that's going to draw traffic to your site. That's what you're not thinking about. And if you don't think that works, you're fooling yourself. Let me know how it works out for you when you post products on your Facebook page. You're not making money. If you were, you wouldn't be listening to me right now. So I want to get you working smart. So as an example, if I click right here, I want to post this 5 prime Christmas dinner recipes on my Facebook page. So watch this. So here you have, I'll hide the camera. So here you have the recipe. Now what I do, and I would highly suggest that you post this to an actual page, Facebook page, not your profile page, not your main Facebook page. Facebook is kind of cutting down on sending that to news feeds. But Facebook will share more with you if you have a page that's about Christmas recipes or Christmas shopping or Christmas techniques, et cetera, et cetera. Now, what I do is I would put some kind of engaging question like, hey, do you have your own family Christmas recipe? Or, hey, have you used this recipe before? And I always put some kind of hashtag in there. Again, that's simply working smart. Now, here's something cool that you're really going to like. It's a little disingenuous to think for a second that we're going to make tons of money on Amazon. Amazon doesn't pay very much. First of all, I have curated plugins for ClickBank. You'll make more money with ClickBank. But where you're really going to make a lot of money is basically offering my services. Okay, so let's think about how simple this can be. So if a person comes to your website, and especially if they're a friend of yours, watch this. They're going to see a very engaging ad that says, hey, launch your own Christmas turnkey website. Hey, I jumped onto my friend Jennifer's website, or my friend Christine's website, or my friend Joe's website. Wow, I really like his website. How did he get his website? Funny you should ask. So when they click right here, you're going to basically earn 20%. Now, what that means basically, if you sell 5 of these a month or 5 of these a year, you have basically paid your entire fee that you paid for me for the 12-site program. Okay? So that's just working smart. Okay? Working smart. Oh, of course, Robert, you want me to sell your stuff. No, I don't. You don't have to put this stuff on your website, but that's how you're going to make more bang for the buck. And that's something people want. If you don't think people need websites, I'm sure you've heard of Wix. Wix advertises every place. I'm in awe of Wix. Why? They sign up 1 million people a month on Wix. But here's something I offer that Wix doesn't offer. Back-end support, training videos right inside your WordPress dashboard. And it's WordPress, open source. In addition to that, I provide sales and marketing tools. You don't get that on Wix. You don't get it on Weebly. You don't get that on Squarespace. They basically give you a site and then it's like, have a good day. Same thing with Shopify. $79. Yeah, but if you want the real stuff, then you're paying $300, $400, $500, well, not $500, but about $300 for a Shopify site. Okay? This, you don't have to own any inventory. This is Affiliate Marketing 101, which simply means, for those of you who don't know about this, is Amazon's going to pay you a fee for referring business. And so is ClickBank, and so is every program out there, every company out there has an affiliate program, including yours truly. So if you want to work smart this holiday season, this is how you do it, one step at a time. Let me be your working smart coach. Okay, if we have to jump on a Skype session, I'm here to help you. I'll provide you my phone number, okay? For selfish reasons, by the way. Oh, wow, Robert sounds like a great guy. No, I'm a selfish guy. Because if you're making money, I'm making money. And if you're happy, you're going to tell 10 friends, 30 friends, et cetera, et cetera. That's how you build a business. That's how you build a brand. You engage people with value. Now, let me say this before we go. I respect the fact that not everybody has a spare $800, $900, $1,000, $2,000 in their back pocket. That's fine. Let's say you're kind of on the fence about this, right? I would suggest that you sign up for my training program, which is less than $100, and it's not $99. It's considerably less than $100. And when you sign up for my how to do this step-by-step training video, looking over my shoulder exactly the techniques I use, it's like on-the-job training. I will give you one of my turnkey websites with all the bells and whistles and hosting, everything you need, software, training, everything else you need. And in addition to that, you get to pick a domain name for $1. Now, if you're not willing to invest in yourself in learning a skill, first of all, it's a marketable skill. No matter who you do business with, it's still a skill you can use. And for $1, you're going to get a complete turnkey website. So if you're serious, you would definitely take advantage of that offer. Talk to you soon. Thanks for being here. My name is Robert Farrell, Carpe Diem 2018. And let me share this with you. Nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. Have a good day.